Hey guys, Anthony here with a video review on FlexClip, a free cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates or create your own videos from scratch. Let me first cover some of the key features. FlexClip is simplistic to use, so it's great for beginners. You'll find professionally designed pre-made video templates, and these are particularly useful if you want to create videos fast. There are many cool text animations that you will find helpful to create professional-looking videos, and I'll be creating a separate video to showcase many of these cool text animations. You'll find thousands of free stock images and video footage to use in your video projects, and you can add music and even record your own voiceover if you want to. You can create square videos with FlexClip, which are great for social media. When adjusting the aspect ratio, for example, from 16:9 to 1:1, all the elements adjust automatically. When creating your videos, you can get real-time previews, like you see here. Finally, the rendering of the videos is fairly quick. This, of course, will depend on the size of your video project. In terms of improvements, one annoyance I found is that when I open a previously created project, it keeps asking me to relink missing files, and I've reported this to the FlexClip team. Currently, FlexClip only works on Google Chrome. However, they are working on making it compatible with other browsers like Firefox. I would like to see an option to be able to create folders in the My Project section to be able to better organize videos, especially if you have many video projects. Overall, I find this video creation app simple to use, but I would like to see some more functionality, and I've provided my feedback and suggestions to the FlexClip team. That being said, if you're a beginner in video creation, I think FlexClip will work great for you because it's easy to use and doesn't have much of a learning curve. FlexClip is free to use. Check the link in the description section. And there are currently 2 premium plans. The free version has some limitations, as you can see. I'll be creating a separate video in which I do a comparison of some of the key features. Well, hope you found this FlexClip review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.